Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Welfare. How to downgrade especially operating system from Windows 11 to Windows 10, 10 to 8.1 or 8.1 to especially 7. We will see here by using especially or by creating USB bootable flash pen drive according to the requirement of partition disk style of your USB flash pen drive. And then how do you especially go for installation of any operating system on any PC, laptops, or computers desktop. So right now, as we see here, partition disk style is a ZPT that I had created with the help of especially refers 3.14. This is a free of cost tool, and this tool has been generated for create partition disk style USB bootable flash pen drive. So now we will close it, and I would like to show you here one thing. See, this is a USB pen drive that especially I have already inserted in this mini PC. Now I would like to install. So how would I do that? Simply guys, you will have to turn off this by pressing on of key and try to be always secure that which one is a C drive guys. So it has been closed now. Just we will switch on and we will press this F9 is for boot menu guys here. So we will elect this one. Let's see, F9 is not especially taken here. So in that condition, just we will close once again. We have to assure that which one is a boot menu key button of your PC or laptops. Different company has a specific key, so it's HP, so just we will go for by pressing this 11F or F11. Now let's see what will happen. Now entering recovery factory, especially it's saying that it's F11, so it means maybe F12 or 8. Once again we will switch on and we will press this especially F12. Let's see what will happen here. It's entering the network menu, so I'm not going with this. Once again we will try especially here by pressing this F9. I think F9 should be. So now see entering F9. So for SP mini PC guys or laptops, there is a F9 key here. This one. Keep holding after shutting down the computer, and then you have to come in a UEFI. Now this pen drive belongs to SP. So of course, now see it has started to get it. And here one thing more I would like to tell you. Any trial application that you would like to use or revalidate, you would like to get once again the validity, this can be also possible. I would like to show you some tricks in here. Let's see. Because for example, some of the applications that trial applications, trial validity has been expired. In that condition, the validity, if you would like to get, of course, and this can be. So here, nothing. Just we have to go for next. According to your own crystallization time and anything that you would like to change, no problem here, you can go with. But right now just we will go for next and we will go for install. So how it's easy to install, see, by a one USB bootable flash pen drive. How do you generate according to your the requirement partition disk install spontaneously USB bootable flash pen drive? That's how you video upload below the description box. There is a link, just watch it, and of course after watching just it says costly for 3 minutes videos, and by watching that of course you will get that how do you create according to the requirement. Sometimes if you had especially or you have especially ZPT partition disk style and you had created especially you have created MBR partition disk style means that won't be a functional, that won't be a supportable. So that's why especially now here I would like to go with this especially I'm the Windows 10 Pro, or you can go for professional, no problem at all. So just I would like to go with this one. So just we will hit this next button and We will see within 5 to 10 minutes, of course, complete installation. Now what you have to do, guys, here just to see nothing, just you have to go for in a custom install. This is a very important things. Here you have to question which one is a C drive, guys. So I know that this partition 9 is a C drive because all has been named, but this one is not named, guys. So this is a just here we would like to delete this one. So why it's so? Because whatever the trial application will once again revalidated, especially on it. So that's why I'm trying to have this one. So just complete delete of this one. Now once again I have gotten an opportunity to generate here new partition disk style. So just we will go for similar space that had. Now see here, this has been created, so in that condition, check it out, unlocated space. There is no much more unlocated space, so in that condition, on it, just we will hit this next button. So it's saying that the partition on disk selected installation are not in the recommendation order. So once again, we will check it out, guys. This one is here, of course, we will go for here. Okay, so now it has been started to install, guys. How's the easy especially we can access? Now see, it will start to especially install, and of course it has started to the configure the file here. So without any hassle at your home, so especially you can go for it by watching this tutorials. For the main inquiry or how do you finalize of any operating system at the end of the finals, there is of course we have to create especially user name, password, etc, etc. So that's how you do that. I will show you in the next tutorial. So this is all about in this video tutorials. For the main inquiry, the pleasure will be mine to the reply of the query. And if it is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more videos such as informative videos. So this is all about. And for SP pen drive, there is F9 keys, menu key, boot menu key, guys, boot option menu key. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.